Well, hello, we're here with Kate Marker at the LeftBank Art Showroom. Launch for this beautiful collection is here today, and I wanted to get inspiration behind this collection for you. And what inspired you to do this?
What inspired me was nature. As you guys can see, everything is sort of that neutral scene, a lot of landscapes, neutral textures, dimension. I do a lot of texture in my designs instead of a color. I think the biggest inspiration is really nature, partnered with texture.
Great. It's beautiful. I love it. You've been an interior designer for quite some time, right? For how long now?
Well, I started my own business in 2007, but I graduated design school in 2002. So now you can calculate exactly my age, but so over 20 years.
Wow. And I'm sure over those 20 years, you've seen a lot of change. And probably in 20 years, you've also seen things come and go and come back, right? And I think that's amazing. And so, you started with artwork, right? So the color palettes and the things like that with art really helps you, I'm sure, in your interior design business, right?
For sure. Yeah, I started my career in art, or actually I just started as a young child. I was an artist growing up. My grandmother that I just told you about was an artist, and she, inspired me as I was growing up as a young child. And at that time, and that was in the 80s, interior design wasn't a term like it is today. Now, then I went off to college, studied art as my major, and then halfway through college realized that interior design could be a career field for me. So I moved to Chicago and went to interior design school and never looked back.
That's amazing. I am so happy to be here, and I appreciate you talking with me, and we're definitely going to highlight all of your beautiful work. Anything you would like to add else about your work?
My work in general is, it's really this palette and really this texture. And, we're doing work throughout the whole country. We're located in the Chicagoland area, but we have work throughout the country.
So if you like this beautiful work, you can find it everywhere. So I love it. Thank you so much, Kate.
Nadine.
It's a pleasure. Bye.